Hey everybody, let's talk about how to record guitar cabinets. Welcome to the new closet, by the way. This is our closet D, and in it we've got all our teeny tiny little combos, and we're going to be recording that one right down there with all the mics on it. Okay, we have an SM57 right in the center of the speaker, so right in the center of the cone, directly on access. That is mic number one. Okay, mic number two is an MD421 right there. That is centered on the cap edge. So the very edge of the speaker dust cone, that's where this mic is oriented, mic number two. And mic number three is also an SM57, this one right here, and that is centered right on the edge of the speaker cone itself. So that's the cone edge mic, mic number three. And we actually have a fourth mic outside of the amp closet. We have that thing right there. That is an AKG D112, and it's pointing right into the corner, and that's mic number four, and its job is just to capture the room sound, the very low frequency rumble outside. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Okay, so this is mic one. This is the SM57 that's right in the center of the dust cap, right, the center of the speaker cone. Okay, now we have mic two. This is the MD421 that's just slightly off center. It's on the edge of the dust cap. That's a bit duller, right? It's because it's slightly off center. Now we have a third mic. This is the second SM57. This is the SM57 that's right on the edge of the speaker cone, and it sounds like this. So it's quite a bit duller. In contrast, this was mic one. Mic two. Mic three. Now, we do have that fourth mic that's out in the room. That sounds like this. So it's just getting that really flubby low end, basically. Now everything you've heard so far, this is all flat. There's no compression, there's no EQ, there's no kind of processing on any of these mic signals. But this is what it sounds like when we start combining them. So mic one and mic two. That's just mic one. Okay, now mic one and mic three sound like this. And then 1, 2, and 3 sound like this. And with mic 4, the room mic. So that was mic 1, mic 2, mic 3, and mic 4. Okay, now everything you've heard is without EQ. We can obviously put EQ on these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm not starting with the world's brightest guitar sound to begin with. Let's add some treble to some of these. So mic 1 with some EQ. That brightens it up a bit. Mic 2 with some EQ. Mic 3 with some EQ. Big difference there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take mic D, the fourth mic, the D112 out in the room, and I'm going to put EQ on it, but a different type of EQ. We're going to boost the low end. Okay, so really get that low end frequency. There we go, there's some room resonance right there. Okay, so this is how it sounds with the mics combined. 1, 2. Right. I like actually the sound of multiple mics. If you get them in phase, which these are in phase, so the sound from the speaker is hitting the mics at the exact same time, at least the three that are out front. The fourth mic in the room, that will not be in phase because it's pointing a different direction out beyond a wall, so it's kind of hard to get that one in phase properly. But it adds something to the sound. You get a much larger, meatier sound when you use multiple mics, and that's what we have here. So hopefully you found this interesting. I recommend you guys experiment with multiple mic signals on the same guitar and see what you find.